The next module is activities or excursions. The guest can buy additional packages or the sightseeings called as excursions, like desert safari on camel, Burj Khalifa and 124th floor, water sport, etc. These details you can add with different timing slots and costing. So you can add city-wide excursion details and it will reflect in the quotation as well as on the sales with auto costing. So let's start. There are two tabs. In the first tab you can define the excursion informations, city name, excursion name, duration, pickup point. Every sightseeing or the excursions have a specific pickup time points. Reporting time. Most of the sightseeings are not working on a specific days, so the tour operator can define those days. So whenever the back office team or the sales team can select the sightseeing on a particular days, it will not allow in the system. It will help to reduce the challenges. Here you can define the descriptions. Note, if any, you can import the CSV of the time slot, because most of the sightseeings working on the time slot basis, like 9 to 12, 12 to 3, 3 to 6 and 6 to 9 again. So you can just upload the time slot accordingly. Inclusions in this sightseeings, exclusion in this sightseeings, terms and conditions, useful informations, booking policy and the cancellation policy. Here are the costing informations. So select the currency. For international sightseeing you need to select the different currency. Basic costing. So in the sightseeings, so there are different types of options, like with without transfer. In this case the guest can directly visit to the sightseeings or the excursions using their vehicles. In the sharing transfers, the guest can travel with other guests. Private transfers, the guest need a separate vehicles for their guests or the passengers, or SIC basis. Here are validity of this costing, so you can just define the validity. Adult cost, child cost, infant cost, you can add the multiple seasonal rates from here. Offers and coupons for B2B. You can upload the images with the given resolutions and click on save. In this way you can add the multiple excursions, you can update the details, you can update the slot times. So this is all about the excursions or the activities.